Top 4 best cheese to flush out toxins and repair kidneys. If you have kidney problems, you may think cheese is something you must stop eating. Many people with kidney disease feel confused and even scared when they see so many types of cheese in the store. Is cheese bad for my kidneys? Can I still eat it without making my condition worse? Here's the truth. Not all cheese is bad for your kidneys. Some types of cheese, when eaten in the right amount, can actually fit into a kidney-friendly diet. The key is knowing which cheese to choose and which ones to avoid. In today's video, we will talk about the top 4 best cheeses that may help reduce toxins and support kidney health. We'll explain why these cheeses are safer, what nutrients they have, and how to eat them the right way. Everything will be explained in a simple and clear way so anyone can understand. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'll also share a very important tip that many kidney patients don't know, and it could help you avoid making a serious diet mistake. On soft cheese. Let's start with the first group of cheese that many kidney patients can enjoy more safely. Soft cheese. Soft cheese is usually moist, smooth, and easy to spread. Because of this texture, it is often used in simple meals like sauces, light toppings for homemade bread, whole grain crackers, or as a base for healthy dips. This makes soft cheese very easy to add to your daily diet without eating too much. Some common examples of soft cheese include cottage cheese, cream cheese, ricotta, mascarpone, paneer, and quark. You may already have one of these in your fridge without knowing it could be a better option for your kidneys. So why is soft cheese more kidney-friendly? First, soft cheese is usually lower in salt compared to hard or aged cheeses. This is very important because too much sodium can raise blood pressure and make your kidneys work harder. According to kidney health organizations, reducing salt intake helps protect kidney function and supports better fluid balance in the body. Second, soft cheese often contains less phosphorus than hard cheeses. High phosphorus levels can be dangerous for people with kidney disease, leading to weak bones, itchy skin, and heart problems. Many nutrition guidelines for CKD patients recommend choosing foods that are naturally lower in phosphorus, and soft cheese fits better into this plan. Another important point is that many soft cheeses have fewer additives. Processed and aged cheeses often contain phosphate additives, which are absorbed very quickly by the body and can harm the kidneys. Soft cheeses like ricotta, paneer, or cottage cheese are usually more natural and closer to real milk, making them a safer choice when you are on a low-phosphate diet. Protein is also something kidney patients worry about. The good news is that soft cheese provides moderate protein, not too high and not too low. This helps support muscle health without putting extra stress on your kidneys, especially when eaten in small portions. Of course, portion size still matters. Even kidney-friendly cheese should be eaten in moderation. A small serving can give you taste, comfort, and nutrition without causing harm. In short, soft cheese is a gentle and smarter choice for kidney health when compared to many other types of cheese. When chosen carefully and eaten the right way, it can be part of a balanced diet that supports your kidneys instead of hurting them. 2. Semi-soft cheese. Next, let's talk about semi-soft cheese. This type of cheese is a bit firmer than soft cheese, but it is still easy to eat and very popular in many meals. Semi-soft cheese is often used because it melts well or can be crumbled into salads. Many people enjoy it on warm dishes or light meals because it adds flavor without needing a large amount. This makes it useful for kidney patients who want taste but still need to control portions. Some common examples of semi-soft cheese include mozzarella, feta, goat's cheese, and halloumi. You may recognize these cheeses from everyday meals like salads, sandwiches, or simple home cooking. So, is semi-soft cheese kidney-friendly? The answer is yes, but it depends on the type and how much you eat. Among this group, mozzarella is often the best choice for kidney health. Mozzarella usually has lower salt compared to feta or halloumi. Lower sodium is very important because high salt intake can cause fluid retention and increase blood pressure, which puts extra stress on the kidneys. Many kidney health guidelines suggest choosing lower salt foods whenever possible. Most semi-soft cheeses are also lower in phosphorus than hard or aged cheeses. This is good news for people with kidney disease because high phosphorus levels can build up in the blood and cause bone and heart problems. Choosing cheeses with naturally lower phosphorus helps protect long-term kidney health. Another positive point is that semi-soft cheeses usually contain fewer additives. Unlike processed cheese, they often do not have added phosphate preservatives. According to nutrition experts, phosphorus from additives is absorbed almost 100% by the body, making it much more harmful for kidney patients. Natural cheeses are generally a safer option. However, salt levels can vary a lot. Feta and halloumi, for example, are often stored in brine and can be quite salty. This does not mean you must avoid them completely, but you should eat them in very small amounts and not every day. Rinsing feta briefly with water may also help reduce some surface salt. Protein content in semi-soft cheese is moderate, which can support muscle health when eaten carefully. Still, portion control is key. A small serving is usually enough to enjoy the taste without harming your kidneys. In summary, semi-soft cheese can be part of a kidney-friendly diet, especially when you choose lower salt options like mozzarella. Watch your portions and avoid eating salty varieties too often. Smart choices make a big difference for your kidney health. Before we continue, take a second to support the channel. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe so you don't miss our future videos about kidney health. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to leave a comment below. I read them and I try my best to reply. And I'm also curious, where are you watching from and how old are you? Let me know in the comments so I can make better videos just for you. Now let's continue. 3. Hard cheese. Now let's talk about hard cheese. This is the type of cheese many people love the most, but for kidney health, it is also the type you need to be more careful with. Hard cheese has a firm texture and a strong taste. Because of this, it is often used in sandwiches or added to meals like salads and pasta. A small amount can add a lot of flavor, which is why many people use it almost every day without thinking. Some common examples of hard cheese include cheddar, Edam, Swiss cheese, Emmental, Gouda, blue cheese like Gorgonzola or Danish blue, and Parmesan. So is hard cheese kidney-friendly? The honest answer is not really, but that does not mean you must stop eating it completely. Most hard cheeses are moderate to high in salt. High sodium intake can increase blood pressure and cause the body to hold extra fluid, making the kidneys work much harder. For people with kidney disease, this can speed up kidney damage over time. One exception is Emmental, which is usually lower in salt compared to other hard cheeses. Another important issue is phosphorus. All hard cheeses are high in phosphate, and this can be a serious problem for kidney patients. When the kidneys cannot remove extra phosphorus from the blood, it can lead to weak bones, joint pain, itchy skin, and heart disease. Kidney nutrition experts often warn that hard and aged cheeses should be limited because of their high phosphorus content. Some hard cheeses may also contain phosphate additives, especially certain blue cheeses or processed versions. As mentioned earlier, phosphorus from additives is absorbed very quickly by the body, making it even more harmful for people with kidney disease. Does this mean you can never eat hard cheese? Not exactly. Hard cheese should be eaten only occasionally and in very small portions. Because the flavor is strong, even a thin slice or a small sprinkle can be enough. This allows you to enjoy the taste without putting too much stress on your kidneys. If you do choose hard cheese, try to pick lower salt options like Emmental, avoid eating it every day, and keep portion sizes small. In short, hard cheese is not the best choice for kidney health, but with careful planning and moderation, it can still be enjoyed once in a while without causing serious harm. 4. Plant-based cheese. Finally, let's talk about plant-based cheese. Many people believe that plant-based foods are always healthier, but when it comes to kidney health, this is not always true, especially with plant-based cheese. Plant-based cheese is usually made from nuts, seeds, or starches. Some popular examples include cashew cheese, almond cheese, and rice cheese. These products are often chosen by people who follow a vegan or dairy-free diet. So, are plant-based cheeses kidney-friendly? In most cases, they are not the best option for people with kidney disease. One major problem is salt. Many plant-based cheeses are very high in sodium to improve taste and texture. As we've discussed, too much salt can raise blood pressure and increase fluid buildup in the body, putting extra stress on the kidneys. Another concern is saturated fat. Many plant-based cheeses use coconut oil as a main ingredient. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. This is important because people with kidney disease already have a higher risk of heart problems. Some plant-based cheeses may also contain phosphate additives, starches, and other processed ingredients. Highly processed foods are generally not recommended for kidney patients because they can be harder for the body to handle and may hide unhealthy nutrients. Does this mean you must avoid plant-based cheese completely? If you follow a vegan diet, plant-based cheese may sometimes be your only option. In this case, it is very important to check the nutrition label carefully. Try to choose products with the lowest salt content, fewer ingredients, no added phosphate additives, and just like with all types of cheese, portion size matters. Even plant-based cheese should be eaten in small amounts and not every day. In summary, plant-based cheese is not automatically kidney-friendly. While it may sound healthy, many products are high in salt and saturated fat. If you choose to eat it, do so carefully, read labels, and keep portions small to protect your kidney health. As you can see, cheese is not always bad for your kidneys. The key is knowing which type of cheese to choose, how much to eat, and how often to eat it. Today, we talked about 4 main types of cheese. We learned that soft cheese and some semi-soft cheese can be better choices when eaten in the right portions. We also saw that hard cheese should be limited, and plant-based cheese is not always as healthy as it sounds, especially for kidney patients. When you make smarter food choices, you help your body reduce toxins, protect your kidneys, and feel better every day. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference over time. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and clear videos about kidney health. And remember, if you have any questions or want us to talk about a specific food, leave a comment below. Your question might be the topic of our next video. Thank you for watching, take care of your kidneys, and I'll see you in the next video.